Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 3 of the series. Today I'm going to teach you how to mount the camera. The tools that you're going to need is the 3 mounting screws, the wall mount itself, a 9/16 drill bit, a drill, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pin. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mark the position of the drill holes with the pin, and we're going to basically use the wall mount to do that. Alright. Alright. Alright, that's done. And now that we got that done, now we're going to take the drill and we're going to drill the holes. Alright, so now we're going to line up the mount and then screw in the screws. Okay. That screw. One thing about these screws, they are not going anywhere at all. Real long. Right? There we go, just snug them up a little bit. Right. And then next, we're going to mount the camera. So we're just going to kind of swivel this around. That's where it was. And then this tightens it up. This little lever right here. And then basically just screw it on. Alright. And just put it where it needs to go. There we go. It's mounted. And that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much. Catch you later.